So in this example, you are requested to find just angle AEC, right? AEC means this angle is requested. On top of that, the first information that has provided is just ABCD is a square. If it is a square, this side is equal to this side, equal to this side, and equal to this side. On top of that, this information also provided ABE is an equilateral triangle. Equilateral means just three sides are equal. If three sides are equal, three angles, opposite angles are equal. The angle opposite to this side is this angle. So opposite to this side, the other angle, this one opposite to this side, the other angle, this angle, they are equal. So that means the sum of interior angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. So 180 degrees divided by 3, which is 60 degrees. So that means each degree is 60 degrees. Each angle just measures 60 degrees. So on top of that, the other information provided is just if this side is equal to this one, that means this is an isosceles triangle. This one is just isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle means just a triangle. It is two sides are equal. If these two sides are equal, opposite angles to these sides are equal. So this angle alpha and this angle must be also alpha. So they are equal angles. So let us make it alpha and alpha. So this one, it is totally 90 degrees. 60 plus 30, it is 90. So this one is 30 degree. From this relation, you can say that 30 plus 2 times alpha is equal to 180 degree, because this one alpha plus alpha to alpha, right? So 2 alpha is equal to 150, because 30 minus 180, it will be 150. So alpha will be 75 degrees. So if alpha is 75 degrees here also 75 degrees, and you are requested to find this one. This angle means just 60 is here, 60 plus this one is 75, it will be 135. So total this angle is just 135 degrees.